Okay, welcome to another great how-to. A friend of mine the other day says, I've got a blog out there with a lot of blog posts, and I'd like to uh, publish it as an ebook, or at least convert it into an ebook file. And I'm not sure if there's any out there. I didn't really look, but I'm not a fan of Microsoft Word. In fact, I don't use many Microsoft products at all. I'm an open source guy. As you can see, I'm using Linux. I'm using Ubuntu Linux here. It's my desktop. What I'd like to do, though, is I'd like to show you how easy it is to convert a document file to an ebook file. Now, when I say document file, I mean a open source file. Now, like I said, I'm not using Microsoft Office. I'm using LibreOffice. Here's how you do it. It's real simple. First of all, you want to open your LibreOffice in a text file, and I'm going to create a new text file here. And now, in this case here, this friend of mine said about taking a blog file and publishing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to my one of my web pages here, and I'm just going to grab this text. Okay, and I'm just going to do a copy. Go back to my document file here, and I'm going to paste it. Once it's pasted, you can put graphics in it if you'd like, or you could put headers on. Like, for example, this is not formatted as a header, so if I take and just make it as a header 1, and then go down here and make this as header 2, or header 1, I should say, and another header 1. I'm doing this because this is going to create an index. I'll just stop right there. I know there's more, but now you can add a file, or I should say an attachment, an add-on to LibreOffice. And how we do that is by going to Tools, going to Add-ons. If you notice that I've already got this add-on on, but you can go to your extension manager and you can say get more extensions. The extension that you want to get is write to epub.oxt. If you do a search on the internet, you'll find this, or if you've got LibreOffice already loaded, all you'd have to do is click on this link and then do a search for this extension and put that in. I'll just close that because I've got it. And now if you notice, it put some icons here. There's 3 icons that it put. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this document right now, and I got to save it. So I got to click on it, and then I got to save it. In this case, I'm just going to do a test. So it's going to save it with the file name test. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the convert, and it'll open this dialog box now. In this place here, I could add a cover. So if I just click on add a file and I go to let's say my pictures, and let me just grab a picture here, something that would be suitable. How about this picture of my wife and myself, and then the title would be test, and the author would be me, and the publisher would be me, and the publishing date, let's just see, 2015, and that's the year. And then I could add tags, I could add a description at this point, and all I would do is click OK. Now, a few things to mention, that there are some format in documents that it does not recognize, like page numbers, for example, and there's some others, but it will just eliminate it. Okay, now, once it's been created, I could just close this document right up here because it's already done. I could close this tab up. Actually, I could just minimize this. And let's go to that document that we just created. And let's see, let's find it here, test, right here. And if you notice that, let's see, where the heck is it here? There it is, test, epub file. Now, there's another program that you're going to want to download, which I believe is for Windows and Linux. See if I can just find it here. Right here, it's called SIGIL. And the reason I download this file is what it does is it'll go out and it will check for any errors in your file. See, there's no problem, so we're good to go. So I could just close this out, and if you notice that it'll create these headers that we talked about, and it will create a table of content. So the book is actually ready to go. And after I checked it and it looks good, I'll just save it one more time and I'll close it. Now, there's another program that I use to keep track of all my ebooks, and it's called let's see here, I gotta find it here first. Where the heck is it here? I got too many icons. There it is. Okay. It's called Caliper. Now, if you notice, I've got all my books here. You can actually take and convert, like say a PDF file, because a lot of your word processors will produce a Word or a PDF file. But the reason I don't use this to convert to books is there's a feature in ebooks that says read out loud, so you can actually make your book into a audio book by converting it the way I did, because it will automatically set that flag, so when I open that book it will read it to me, like from Google Play. And I believe that Amazon Kindle probably has that same feature, but I don't use the Kindle reader, I use the Google reader. Okay, now that you've looked at this file, now watch what I do here. I'll go back to the place where our file is, and I'm going to right mouse click again, and I'm going to go open with Caliper. And if I go back to Caliper, I'm going to find it again here now. Right here it is. You notice it put it right in here. Here it is, test. And it's an EPUB file already. So now, if I right mouse click on it and I go to view, I can view the file. Takes a minute, but it'll open a reader. Okay, this is the reader. This would be my cover page, and then I just page through here. As you can see, it created an ebook for me. Now this ebook can be uploaded directly. I guess I got an error come up in my operating system here. I'll just close this. Well, that's pretty well it. I mean, it's a simple thing to do. I know I kind of moved through it fast. It's not a lot of steps, but if you, like I say, get LibreOffice, get the plug-in to convert to to an epub file. You can get this caliper and also that other program. I'll put the names of those files and a link on the YouTube video below, so you can go out and find these files. I hope you enjoyed this little how-to, and I'm sure that you can figure out how to do this, and you can refer back to this video if you need to. So thanks a lot, and have a good day. I'm doing this from outside, by the way, so if you hear all these car noises and everything, I'm sitting out on my patio. It's a beautiful, beautiful day today, and I'm just going to enjoy the weather out here. So have a good day.